Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we will take a gentle journey into a peaceful forest where you can find calm and restoration. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle into this space. Take a moment to notice where you are and give yourself permission to be fully present for the next few minutes. Let your eyes close gently or soften your gaze downward. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. Feel your body beginning to relax with each exhale. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and let it go with a gentle sigh. One more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel any tension melting away from your shoulders and face. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. There is nothing you need to control or change. Simply observe each breath as it flows in and out naturally. Notice how your body moves with each breath, your chest rising and falling, your belly gently expanding and contracting. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and present. Now I invite you to imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The sun is filtering through the tall trees above, creating gentle patterns of light and shadow on the ground before you. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the sweet scent of pine and earth. You notice a soft path winding into the forest ahead. This path is inviting and safe. The ground beneath your feet is covered with a soft carpet of moss and fallen leaves. As you begin to walk along this peaceful path, you feel completely at ease. Each step you take brings you deeper into this tranquil forest sanctuary. The trees around you are tall and strong, their branches swaying gently in a light breeze. You can hear the soft rustling of leaves above you, like nature's own gentle music. As you continue walking, you notice the sounds of the forest around you. Perhaps you hear the distant call of a bird or the soft babbling of a stream nearby. These sounds blend together in perfect harmony, creating a natural symphony that soothes your mind and spirit. The further you walk, the more peaceful you feel. Any worries or thoughts from your day seem to fade away, absorbed by the ancient wisdom of these trees. You feel supported and held by the natural world around you. After walking for a few minutes, you come to a small clearing where the sunlight streams down warmly. In the center of this clearing, you discover a comfortable place to rest. Perhaps it is a soft patch of grass, a smooth stone, or a fallen log covered in moss. This is your special place of peace. Settle into this comfortable spot and take a moment to appreciate the beauty surrounding you. Notice the play of light filtering through the leaves above. Feel the gentle warmth of the sun on your skin. Breathe in the pure, refreshing forest air. As you rest in this peaceful clearing, imagine that with each breath you take, you are drawing in the calm energy of the forest. This peaceful energy flows into your body, relaxing every muscle and soothing every thought. Feel this tranquil energy spreading from your heart throughout your entire body. It flows down your arms to your fingertips. It travels down through your torso, relaxing your back and abdomen. It continues down through your legs, all the way to your toes. You are completely relaxed and at peace. In this moment, there is nowhere else you need to be and nothing else you need to do. You are exactly where you belong. Allow yourself to rest here for a few more moments, breathing naturally and feeling completely calm and centered. Notice how peaceful your mind has become. This sense of tranquility is always available to you. You can return to this forest clearing anytime you need to find peace. Now it is time to gently begin your journey back. Rise from your resting place and take one last look around this beautiful clearing. Know that this peaceful space will remain here for you whenever you need it. Begin walking back along the forest path, carrying this sense of calm with you. With each step, you are bringing the peace and tranquility of the forest back with you into your day. As you reach the edge of the forest, take a deep breath and feel grateful for this peaceful journey. The forest's calming energy remains within you, ready to support you whenever you need it. Now begin to bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Notice the surface beneath you and the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a few deeper breaths, filling your body with fresh energy. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes or lift your gaze. Take a moment to stretch gently and notice how peaceful and refreshed you feel. Carry this sense of forest calm with you as you continue with your day. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me.